Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to automate time tracking in Monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your boards and can set up the automation features that will make time tracking completely hands-free. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look at the left panel of your screen where all your boards are listed. From here, click on your preferred board where you want to set up the automated time tracking. This could be any board where you manage tasks or projects that require time monitoring. Before we move forward with the automation, make sure you already have time tracking set up in your board. This is important because the automation we're about to create will rely on this column being present. If you don't have it yet, you'll need to add a time tracking column to your board first before proceeding with the automation setup. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Automate. Click on it to access Monday.com's Automation Center. This is where all the magic happens and where you can create custom workflows that save you tons of time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks. Once the automation panel opens, look at the top menu. You'll notice several options there, but the one you need is Create. Click on it to start building your custom automation from the ground up. This gives you full control over how your time tracking will work automatically. Next, you'll see an option that says Create from Scratch. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to build a completely customized automation that fits your specific workflow needs rather than using a pre-made template. Now you'll start defining the trigger for your automation. Click on When this happens. This is where you set up the condition that will activate the automatic time tracking. From the options that appear, select When Item Created. This means that every time a new item is added to your board, the automation will kick in automatically. After setting up the trigger, it's time to define what action should follow. Look for the section that says Then do this and click on it. In the search bar that appears, type Time Tracking. This will filter the available actions to show you only the time-related options. From the results, select Start Time Tracking. This ensures that as soon as a new item is created, time tracking begins immediately without anyone having to manually start it. Finally, click Create Automation to save and activate your workflow. The automation is now live and will start working immediately on any new items added to your board. And that's it. You've successfully automated time tracking in Monday.com, ensuring that every new task automatically starts tracking time the moment it's created. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.